If girls capture their attention with their mushroom moves, boys have already put their heart and soul in the upcoming performance. And that is flag drill. Please come onto the stage, boys, and steal everybody's attention.
Runway. Hey ya. Runway.
Fusion of colors. Violet denotes wisdom. Yellow is energy. Wonderful. What a breathtaking sight. Beautiful coordination. Every wave, every step coordination does not come easily. Excellent, boys.
From the past into today, dancing in the ancient way.
Now the performance becomes
We are the rain,
even more exciting with a cycle moment.
we are the fire,
Let's cheer for the cyclers.
spirit of the earth beneath the sky. From the mountains to the canyons,
Look at their balance. Wow,
promises our
wonderful.
ancestors keep. Every step, every beat we made honors those who came before our sake. Hey, ho. Stories written in the sand, dancing with the sacred band. We are the thunder, we are the rain, dancing through joy and dancing through pain. We are the fire that never dies, spirit of the earth beneath the sky.
And now comes a special and heartfelt moment.
Stories never fade away.
Here comes our national flag, waving high with pride, honor, and glory.
Passed it down to you.
Beautiful.
In every drum beat, in every
This
song.
is our national flag, ladies and gentlemen. Students have done a wonderful job.
Generations hand in hand, dancing on the sacred land. We are the thunder, we are the rain, dancing through joy and dancing through pain. We are the fire that never dies, spirit of the earth beneath the sky.
Dear students, you have made us feel the true essence of patriotism. Keep the spirit alive and forever.
Dear audience, don't you think that was phenomenal? I just could not take my eyes off. That's such an ecstatic performance from the boys.